असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतंगमय Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I will say this is not this year which is important, this COVID crisis. We are coming out of this, so we are praying. This is a universal truth where we need to practice this, and every time we preach, we practice, we pray that oh Almighty, you help us to improve us, to move from darkness towards light. I am a doctor by my profession, as already mentioned. Thanks for the introduction by these young kids. And but if you ask me, by my mind, I am a learner. So I am at par with all of you, just a student. Through that inquisitive mind, I do research. I want to know what is the meaning of life. Still, I am searching. I try to dispel some myth of medical science, try to understand complex pathology of body. So I'm learner, so I'm student like you. By heart, I'm a philanthropist. Education. I thought every letter of education has some meaning, you know. E stands for EQ. You have to develop your EQ. Because EQ is something which you can change even at the age of 60, 70, forget about in pediatric age group. IQ is probably God gifted, but EQ we can change. And EQ comprises of empathy, social connect, understanding your emotion, channelizing your emotion towards positivity. So all of us who are here, we have to practice EQ. D stands for dream. डॉक्टर कलाम साहब बोलते थे डे ड्रीमिंग की बात. I say it is dreams, it is not dream, one dream, it's dreams, it goes on. But for that you have to have the determination, you have to have the diligence, the hard work you have to give. Then EU is understanding your life. So I'll request all my friends here who are here that go and understand what is the meaning of life from your grandparents. I'm a geriatrician, so I will invariably talk about elderly here. So go and understand what is the meaning of life from your grandparents. So if I ask any of you, what is the meaning or purpose of your life? So someone says, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, an IS officer, journalist, teacher. But my grandpa told me, you should, whatever may be your profession, you may be doctor, you may be engineer, you may be politician, you may be civil servant, but goal of life is the way you have received this planet, you have to make this a better place for that. All of you agree with that? So we have to make this planet better irrespective of our profession, and we can do that. Everybody has that potential. So then EDUC, C is courage. Courage to have practiced truth and non-violence. Remember, practicing non-violence is much more difficult than practicing violence. So we have to practice truth and non-violence. This is very, very important. Being a student, being a learner, we have to practice that. Every day we have to practice that. Then aspiration. A stands for aspiration. All of us should aspire to do something great. And remember, this learning is a curve which is a lifelong process. The point I have mentioned, it can be even at the age of 60, somebody can have aspiration to do something great. So EDU, CA, then T. T stands for trust. Trust in yourself, trust in your body, trust in your mind, trust in your soul. Because without trusting yourself, you cannot do anything. And this, everything is thought. But to keep your mind healthy, to keep your body healthy, you have to exercise every day. How many of you exercise every day? Please raise your hand. Very few. I think I'm also a learner, so I should also practice exercise. Exercise is a must, because I am seeing the end of life. Someone who practice exercise throughout his life, he is better, even he is more immune to COVID crisis. So exercise, we have to exercise our body, we have to exercise our mind, and we have to be happy. So then ट्रस्ट के बाद आई इज इंस्पिरेशन. इंस्पायर योरसेल्फ, इंस्पायर्स अदर. एंड रिमेंबर, नो वन ऑफ अस कंपीटेटर टू ईच अदर. इवन इन सेम क्लास वी आर नॉट कंपीटर. वी कंपीट विथ, किसके साथ हम कंपीट करते हैं? यस, वी कंपीट विथ सेल्फ. फ्रॉम little darkness to little brightness, we practice that. And success is a continuous process. Success is not a story of one class, two class, three class. It is a lifelong perspective. And then O is oneness. Oneness of yourself and environment. This COVID crisis has proved that how mighty are we in front of this Milky Way or universe. Just one small mighty virus has just stopped everything. So oneness with the environment, oneness with your friend, then you start loving each other. There is no place of violence anywhere, you know. Gandhi ji, I have visited many countries. There were many big leaders, many famous leaders, many great leaders, but Gandhi ji is one of such leader जिनका bust या कंसेप्ट या पिक्चर या राइटिंग नहीं है, ऐसा आई थिंक देयर इज नो कंट्री. सो एंड अगेन यू सी, नॉन वायलेंस इज नॉट वीकनेस. समवन हैज अ गन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड you have only a small stick or you don't have anything, you are standing in front of him means in your mental strength you are much bigger than someone who has the gun in front of you. And last is new, N. In education, if I say N is the last letter, is new possibility. There are immense possibilities. There is immense path. We just don't think, our parents who are here, we should not think भाई education में कुछ नहीं हुआ तो इसके बाद क्या होगा. There are so much of options we have. But yes, if you are not developed your emotional intelligence, if you have not practiced each and every letter of education what I mentioned, then it is difficult. जरूरी नहीं है हमें किसी एक चीज में we have to be successful. So as a learner, we have to be empathetic to each other, we have to be non-violent, we have to be determined, we have to dream. Definitely we have to dream. Every day you should have I dream every day, new dream in the morning. I wake up and I think and as a learner, what new things I can learn. I learn many things, even after coming here also I learn many things, I believe. Regarding success and failure, जिनको आज अवार्ड मिला है, जिनको अवार्ड नहीं मिला है, इसमें नेल्सन मंडेला के एक बहुत अच्छे कहावत है, आइदर आई विन और आई लर्न. सो जिनको आज अवार्ड नहीं मिला है, he or she should learn his or her mistake, his or her weakness, so that he or she can rectify that. You know, we are that way biased to realize our weakness. Everybody has weakness. Everybody in this world has weakness. But we just skip that. No, I cannot be weak in any domain of my life. But yes, we have weakness. So understand your weakness, work for that. Maybe next 15th annual event, you will have the prize with you. You know, there is no substance called emotion. It is your thought which is creating the emotion. So एक बच्चा जिसको अवार्ड नहीं मिला, वो दो चीज सोच सकते हैं. अरे मैं तो फालतू हूँ, I am a loser, you know, I couldn't do this, I can't do that, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं क्या करूँगा. So this is negative thought. ये बच्चा ये thought लेके यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे he will be depressed. So then we will say he has negative emotion. Right? We will say he has negative emotion. वही सेम बच्चा बार बार रिपीट कर रहा है कि जो हमारे चीफ गेस्ट आए डॉक्टर चैटर्जी, ही इज टेलिंग आइदर आई विन और आई लर्न. सो क्यों ना मैं इसको ये सोचूं कि चलो मुझे इस बार एकेडमिक्स में अच्छा स्कोर नहीं आया तो मेरा जो गलती था उसको मैं सुधारता हूं. यही चीज ही इज रिपीटिंग इन हिज और हर माइंड, दैट इज थॉट व्हिच इज गिव हिम अ पॉजिटिव इमोशन. So as a student, we have to learn how to channelize our negative thought to positive thought. So thought, then एक thought को आप बार बार सोचते जाओगे तो then what happens? it become your belief. None of us has seen the Almighty, but छोटे उम्र से मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया है ये गणेशा है, ये ऐसे डांस करता है. He has immense power. So हम गणेशा को लेके सोचते थे, जो ब्लाइंड है उन्होंने भी इमेजिन किया है गणेशा ऐसे है. So ये सोचते सोचते हमारे में बिलीव आ गया. So same thing, negative thought, if you continue to practice that negative thought within you, that will be your belief that I am loser, I cannot do it. Same thing, no, I am a great learner, I can do it. That thought will convert to a belief followed by emotion. So there is no term called negative emotion, it is a creation by us. It is our thought that we call as cognitive aberration. We ourselves are changing the thought. So lastly, as a doctor, I think organizer has called me, so I have to speak 2-3 words about corona. Even if vaccine comes, you have to practice this. You have to wear mask, you have to maintain social distance, physical distance, you have to sanitize your hand repeatedly. But practicing that, you can do anything and everything. Believe me, I have not stopped a single day from the day one of lockdown. Not because of I am a doctor. Even I have visited at least 20 slum of this Delhi NCR, 27 old age homes. I have served them by my hand, but again, maintaining social distance, wearing mask, sanitizing your hand. Even if you are vaccinated, when the vaccine will come, you are not 100% safe. You have read this 75% efficacy, 90% efficacy. That means not 100%. But still, you should not stop. Life will not stop. This is new normal. I say this has given us opportunity to be much more disciplined. हाथ धोने से सिर्फ कोरोना नहीं होगा ऐसा नहीं, बहुत सारे पेट के बीमारी नहीं होगी. डायरिया वगैरह तो कम ही हो गया, हमें पेशेंट ही नहीं मिलता आजकल डायरिया के. So clean your hand, which is a good practice. So corona has taught us some good practice. Of course, it is unfortunate for someone who has lost someone, but otherwise, corona has taught lot of good things. It has made us very very simplistic. हमको मॉल जाना नहीं पड़ता है आजकल, सब कुछ हो जाता है फिर भी we are happy. We don't go to cinema hall, still we are happy, right? So we have to be diligent. We have to work hard. We have to maintain public health measures, but we should not be panicky. So lastly, thanks to all, thanks to the organizer, and I love to visit school. I'm associated with nearing 1,000 tribal children in Ranchi, around 500 to 600 children of Delhi NCR slum area through our NGO Healthy Aging India. And because जब हम बात करते हैं, we have to make this country superpower, I request them, go to school. When they say we have to make this environment pollution free, I will say go to school. When you think that the whole system should be corruption free, I would say go to school. Because school is that place where we can modify, we can create that emotional intelligence on you, we can create that non-violence character in you, which will go on throughout your life, and you and only you will change the fate of this nation and this planet. Thank you.